I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Today, we're going to talk about authenticity in public speaking. And how do you build authenticity? Through storytelling. And I don't mean just grasping at straws, making up stories. No, you build your authenticity and believability by sharing parts of your life. Of course, you don't have to divulge everything, right? That would be uncomfortable for your audience as well as for yourself. But you share stories that you know that your audience can connect with, and they could say, I believe her or I believe him because they understand where I've been. You can ask questions such as, how many of you have walked down the street and run into an unexpected person, someone from the past that you thought you would never see again, and yet you learn a great lesson? And you'll see nods in the audience. And then you go into your story. Or you can say, I understand exactly how you feel. And I know it's uncomfortable for you to be sitting in that chair looking at me. But I can tell you that I've been there. I know what it's like. And by the end of this conversation, we are going to build a relationship. So these are ways that you connect with the audience, that you add value to them, and that they understand that you are on the same page with them. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Bye-bye now.